So when we look at this one, it says, in the group play stage of the FIFA World Cup, teams are placed in groups of 4, and they play each other. A team is awarded 3 points for a win, 1 point for a tie, and no points for a loss. Write an algebraic expression that represents the number of points accumulated by one team in the group play stage of the World Cup. So first step is always reading the problem like we just did. Now, they want an algebraic expression, which means that needs to be letters, right? We're looking at the last sentence. Okay, what do they want from me? They want to know number of points. So we're going to figure out everything that's related to points. Well, we have 3 points for a win, 1 point for a tie, and no points for a loss. So when you have this, you look at the last problem, you go, what are my categories, right? So my categories here, I have wins, and I know that's 3 points. I have ties, and I know that's 1 point. I have losses, and I know that's 0 points. What we don't know is how many times they won to figure out how many points they got, how many times they tied, how many times they lost. So we're going to choose a variable, a letter. This W is going to take place of the fact that we don't know how many wins. This T is going to take place where we don't know how many ties. This L is going to take place for we don't know how many losses. Now, if they win once, that's 3 points. If they win twice, that's 6 points. If they win 3 times, that's 9 points. What am I doing between the 3 and that number? Multiplication. So, if I can pick the right color, that's going to be 3 times W, 1 times T, and 0 times L. Now, we are trying to find everything put together. So it is going to be addition because we're looking for total that's accumulated, right? So again, read the problem, look at the last sentence. What are they looking for? Look at what is related to that last sentence and figure out how you can put it together. Word problems are tricky, but not impossible.